Hey guys, and welcome back to new videos. I have this huge bag right here filled with makeup. So I did order a bunch of new products for my professional kit and also for myself to test out. So I bought a lot from friends and also Livi Beauty and also a few items from Lico, I think. I really had to restock my whole kit pretty much. And I also want to find new products to put into my kit this year because I'm almost fully booked for the 2026 season, which is crazy. Let's just go random and let's just start with this one. So first product that I picked up is the Anua 70 Plus Daily Lotion. Nikki put me onto this and I'm super excited to try it out and also to have it in my kit. I love that it comes in a pump. I can easily depot this. And I also picked up the Warda Luxury Skincare Soothing and Refreshing Hyaluronic Acid Toner. I feel like a toner is always great to have in your kit, and especially a hyaluronic acid one that really gives hydration to the skin. So I picked up that. I also picked up the Dalba First Spray Serum. Really excited to test this out as well. I got a mini because I wanted to test it out and also because I want to carry it around in my professional makeup kit. And I feel like this is a great spray to have if a client has super dry skin. So I also wanted to test it out for myself. I would just go in a random order here because I have no idea where I picked up everything from. I also picked up 3 of the L'Oreal Lumi Glotion. So I picked up medium glow, light glow, and also deep glow. So these I am going to depot as well into my kit, which I'm very excited for. I also picked up a Rachel Couture Mango 24-hour moisturizer lip balm. A lip balm, you can never go wrong. So I just grabbed that. So I picked up 2 new foundations that I really am eager to try out. As you know, I love Guerlain. So I'm very excited. So this is the Terracotta Glow. I have tried the Terracotta, the normal one, Latent, and my favorite foundation of all time is the Guerlain Pearl Gold. So hopefully these will be great for more of my dry skin clients. So I picked up 2 shades. I also picked up 3 of the Makeup Forever HD Skin. This is the mini ones. These will look so good in the kit because the kit is not super tall. So I am working on that. So I feel like this is a great bottle because it will fit straight into my kit. So the shades that I picked up were the 3 shades they had in these minis. So I picked up R210, Y218, and 315. So hopefully I can mix and match these together. So I also picked up a NARS Light Reflecting Foundation in the shade Fiji because I was running low on that one. So I had to stock up on those. I also bought a Danessa Myricks Color Fix, and this is in the shade Nudes. Super excited to try this out as well. Use it as a eyeshadow base. We also have a product from Jouer, Luminizing Glow Serum with 7% niacinamide. So this I will have for myself actually. I also picked up the Makeup Forever Stellar set. So this is the Artist Color Pencils. And in here you get like their most used shades. So you get Anywhere Caffeine, Wherever Walnut, Limitless Brown, Endless Cacao, and Boundless Berry. As a makeup artist, you just love minis. And I love that you get like all of their most sold colors. I also picked up the Yummy Skin Liquid Blurring Balm from Danessa Myricks. I really want this to work. Use alone for a blurred look or over makeup to set and smooth. I'm super excited about this one, so I would definitely keep you updated. But it feels very fresh when you apply it, but it did mess up my hair. But I'm very excited for this one, especially for bridal makeup. So hopefully I will love it. Then I picked up 2 of the mini Makeup Forever HD Perfecting Pressed Powders. I picked up the shade Light and also Lavender. So this is supposed to be super brightening, and I love that they are minis because they don't take up a lot of space in the kit. Super excited for these, and the color is also very nice. This is the lavender one, and then I also picked up the light one. I would definitely keep you updated on all of these products once I've tested it out. I will also do a first impression testing out a lot of these. Next up, we also have concealers from Hourglass. I picked up the shade Oat and Cream in these ones. I actually haven't tested out the Hourglass concealers. So I'm in for a treat, hopefully, because a lot of people say they love them. Then I also picked up the HD Skin Face Essential palette in the shade Medium. So you get a bunch of blushes here. You also get a bunch of bronzers and concealer tones. So I feel like this is a great product if I really love them. I haven't tested it out before, so I'm not sure how they work. I really wanted to get this because you have a bunch of cream blushes in here and it takes up almost non-space whatsoever. Also, a new concealer from NARS. This is the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in the shade Creme Brulee, because now I have Chantilly and Vanilla, but I didn't have a darker shade. So I picked up Creme Brulee. Then I also picked up a product from Hourglass, and this is the Ambient Lighting Palette in Fox. So this was a limited edition palette. So here you can see the packaging. It's beautiful, but again, it doesn't take up a lot of space in the kit, and you have some blushes and bronzer shades and highlighters. So I'm very excited for this as well. I love Hourglass, so hopefully I will love this one. I was a little bit bummed out that they didn't have the other colors as well, because I really wanted the lighter ones as well. Then we have 5 products from NYX. So these are the Buttermelt blushes and bronzers. So for blushes, I picked up the shade You Know Butter. And I also picked up the shade Getting Butter, which is a little bit more on a mauve side. And for bronzers, we have the All Butter Up, we have Butter Biscuit, and Buttercup. So 1 light and 3 darker. So hopefully I will enjoy these as well. I really wanted to try some new drugstores. I'm planning on doing a full face of drugstore, so that's why I'm kind of getting a lot of drugstore. And if I love them, I will bring it into my kit. So I also picked up a Catrice palette. This is the Magic Shaper face cream palette. So I actually saw Tati use this and I was very intrigued, so I picked it up as well. Super excited to try it out. It actually kind of reminds me a lot of the Makeup Forever one. So maybe they are a little bit inspired by it, but I feel like it is great to test out something from the drugstore. Maybe they are great. Maybe I love them even more than my Makeup Forever palette. So that's that. I also have a Kevin Quinn Skin Enhancer. This is in the shade SX01. So I have number 2 and 3, but I didn't have 1. So I got that as well to have into my professional kit. Then we have the Maybelline New York Grippy Serum. This has been sold out all over Norway. So when I was ordering all of this and I saw they had this in store, I immediately just added it to cart. So I'm excited to try that out as well. Then we have some mascaras. We have actually, I don't know what I thought when I was ordering all of this, because I was ordering from different stores. So I think I have thought that I didn't buy enough. So we have a bunch of mascaras, actually 6 one. We have the Lash Paradise, which is a waterproof mascara. Then we have the Essence I Love Extreme mascaras. We have a waterproof and a regular one. I really love the regular one, so I also wanted to have a waterproof in my kit. We also have the Essence Lash Princess. Then we have the Essence Maximum Definition Waterproof Mascara. And last but not least, we have the Get Big Lashes Volume Boost Waterproof from Essence as well. I am in a big hunt for a great mascara these days. So that's why I couldn't decide and decided to get 6, because I totally forgot what I had picked in my cart. And then we have some brow products. So we have some from HD Brows. So this is a brow glue in the shade Light Ash Brown. So I decided to get this for myself, and for the kit I decided to add the Brow Tech in the shade Vamp. So this is a brow pencil. It has that super thin edge, so it makes hair strokes super easy to do because it is so thin. Then I also picked up a brown liner from Essence. So this is just the Kajal pencil Everyday. So I just wanted to test that out as well. And then last but not least, I also picked up a brow highlighter from HD Brows. And this is just in a cream shade. So that is it, you guys. I have no voice. Can you hear it? I'm super rusty from talking a lot, but this is all the products that I have accumulated. So now I can finally unpack everything, sort it out in my kit. So if you've tried any of these products, feel free to leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think about this. Or if you have a specific product that you saw in this video that you want me to do an in-depth video on, be sure to leave it down below and I will be happy to do that for you. All the items that I've mentioned, I know I went a little bit fast, but that is just because I've been sitting here forever. My voice is hurting. So everything that I talked about will be listed down below, and I will of course do an updated video letting you know how these products work. So keep your eye out for a favorites video or something like that. Favorites or fail, or a testing out new products first impression. So I am very excited to sit down now and refill my kit with all of this. And also, if you want me to do a professional makeup artist kit tour, I would love to do that for you as well, but I don't want to do it if you're not interested in seeing what I keep in my kit. So without further ado, thank you so much for watching. Be sure to hit the subscribe button before you go and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and I will see you pretty soon in a brand new video. Bye guys. Mwah.